Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can add the playlists in the SharePoint stream part. So right now I am in my developer environment, which is a Dev food chain, and in this particular Dev food chain environment I am going to create a new page. Okay, so I'm going to click on this new button and then I will click side page, and I will create a new page called as stream. Okay, and in this web part I am going to add a stream web part which is available out of the box from SharePoint. So here is the web part which is used to display a single or multiple videos from a folder in OneDrive or SharePoint. As you can see, it already taken up my recently created videos which are available in this Dev food chain site, and this is how the default view of any stream web part will appear to you. We can edit the web part, we can duplicate this web part, or if you want to let's say delete this web part, we can click this delete icon, or if you want to change the layout, we can click on this theater view which is already available, or the grid view like this. Okay, and if there are more videos, then we can use the see all button as well. Is show on a web part title bar if I want to show the title bar on the web part or not. If I want to change the layout from grid to theater, I can do that. Also, if I want to show or limit the number of videos to be shown up, I can change this value limit. Or even if I want to sort by any values like author, recently created, or recently updated, I can do that. The option which we want to talk in this video is this one, the playlist. When I click on it, as you can see, it says these are the number of playlists, but right now I don't have any playlist, so it says no playlist found. And if you want to learn more about the playlist, you can use this link. It is about giving an overview of stream playlist, and it is also providing what is coming up next in the stream playlist in the upcoming time. Okay, so let's get back to the web part. And let's say I want to create one playlist because I don't have any playlist right now. So what I have to do in this particular case is, let me just go and duplicate this tab first so that we have this part, and let me go and let's say I want to publish this web page. So let me just publish this stream page so that we have that stream web part available to us. Let me close the other one out. And now let me go and duplicate this tab so that we have that streamed apart. And the next step I want to do is I want to click on this breadcrumb and click on this Microsoft lists. So right now we are in the Microsoft lists page, and as you all know, we can create a new list from here. I can create a blank list. I can start from existing or Excel or CSV, or we can use the templates. So when we scroll down in the templates, we see an option for creating a playlist. The playlist is used to arrange a set of video for playback in specific order. I'm going to use this template. When I click on it, it will ask me for name. So I'm going to provide a name as Stream WP playlist. And I'm going to select the already existing icon for that, which is for the playlist. And the other option I have to select is where I want to save this Microsoft list. So let's say I want to save in the same Dev food chain site. So I will select it and then hit create. So what it will do, it will create this stream WP list as a Microsoft list in the Dev food chain. So that is available, as you can see in the Dev food chain site, we have the stream WP playlist. So the next thing what we can do is, yeah, we can go and make it as favorites. And the next thing I can do is I can click on this add new item. It will open up this pop-up to pick up the files which I want to show as a playlist for this. I can have files from a OneDrive. I can have some recent files, let's say recent videos which are available. So I have a couple of videos available in here, so I'm going to select these 6 videos which are available as a recent files in this particular model pop-up. When I click on select, all of these 6 videos are going to be available as the playlist for me, right? And these are the normal stream web part behavior. I can click on the video and the video will start playback. If I edit, it will show me the video thumbnail URL, the name of the video, the title of the video, and the duration. Okay. And also I can have the 6 list, and the other thing is it is same as any other web part. I have the different views as well. This is the playback view. If I go into the all items view, the all items view will be displayed with all the durations available for that. Okay, let me just go back to the playlist view, and as you can see, when I select any of the video, it is taking some time, and then I can just play that video again. We don't want to do that. We want to use that particular WP playlist in my web part. So I'm going to edit the page, select the web part, and then click on this edit web part icon. And as you can see, now the playlist drop down is visible, and it is having a value of that stream WP playlist as a selection. When I select it, it is the same list, so it will have those 6 videos in it. I can change how many videos I want to say. Let's say 5. And let me just go and let me do and save the page, republish the page. So as you can see, I have the see all button, and these are the 5 videos which are available to me. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when I click on the see all button, I can see all the videos which are available into that particular playlist. In this particular playlist, I have 6 videos. That's why I am having only 6 videos to be to select. And it is a normal stream web part now, so it's working as expected. We can play the video, we can move +10, -10, whatever we want to do, we can do in this particular case. It is the out of the box functionality which is the stream web part is having. Okay, and let me just go and now click on the this back button from the top, not here, that should be just here. Let me go and click on the back button, yes, here, so that I right now I'm in the back. Right now I am back in the stream web part playlist web part. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can add comments or any of your doubts or queries in the comment section, and I will try to reply them at the earliest. Do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications for every newly uploaded video.